Hello, everyone. After getting the news that the Virginia Supreme Court struck down the the newly passed Virginia redistricting map by a vote of 4-3, I have some words for the folks down in Virginia. Trust me, I'm not gonna invalidate how you folks feel right now. You did this legally and you did this fairly just to combat what's going on in other states like Texas. And let's just take a moment. I am not here to just say take a deep breath and shut up. That's just apathetic. Although I can't understand how it feels right now to have your vote literally thrown away just to combat partisan gerrymandering in a fair and justified fashion. I don't know exactly how it feels to have voted for this and have it be struck down. But at the same time, I've been waiting to say this well before this even happened today. Maybe this battle we're facing in our country right now is not just a start and finish journey, and by that I mean it may not just end where we think it's gonna end. Maybe unfortunately it may just be a little bit more complicated than that. And what I mean by that is this. Maybe maybe it just doesn't end where we think it's gonna end. So I'm not saying, so allow yourselves to feel what you want to feel right now. But just know from Wisconsin, we got your back. And you shouldn't be nice to people who think what is going on right now is okay. And when I say that, I don't mean be aggressive or violent. Please don't do that. But you don't need to mellow down the words just to satisfy the people around you. And I'm honestly at the point where personally I'm done mellowing my words just to satisfy people who don't think what is going on is wrong. I'm pretty much done with that. But like I said with the death of Alex Jeffrey Preddy, let's use this momentum for the future. Let's use this momentum to move forward and resist. And for those of you who just can't stand these protests, sorry, not sorry, they ain't going anywhere. And just look what you're making us do. Onwards, democracy.